The Pulley Ratio Calculator solves speed and torque relationships between pulleys in mechanical systems. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we have Driver Pulley Diameter D₁, where you enter the diameter of your input pulley. Next is Driven Pulley Diameter D₂ for your output pulley diameter. Finally, there's Input RPM N1, where you specify the rotational speed of your driver pulley. For this demonstration, I'll enter a driver diameter of 4 inches, a driven diameter of 8 inches, and an input RPM of 1800. After clicking Calculate Pulley Ratios, the calculator processes these values. The results section displays your pulley ratio, which indicates the mechanical advantage between the two pulleys. The Output RPM field shows the calculated rotational speed of your driven pulley based on the diameter relationship. When the driver pulley is smaller than the driven pulley, you'll see a reduction in speed but an increase in torque. Conversely, a larger driver creates higher output speed with reduced torque. This relationship is fundamental for designing belt drive systems, conveyor applications, and power transmission setups. This calculator streamlines your mechanical design process. Find the link in the description below.